Okay, today is Monday, 3rd August 2020. The topic. I need please that you open your reader book, the small book, page 29 is helping hands. Performance. Read page 30 and 31. Oh, 29 to 31. Okay. And you need to answer this question about this page, okay? Page. The question is, no, I'm sorry, page 30. The question, oh my God. The question is, what baggage does Janet want? What does she have to do to get it? Don't worry. Primero las copiamos y después miramos. Leemos y miramos. Why? Oh, I'm sorry. Page first. Why does the vacuum cleaner make a funny sound? Okay, and now we start to read. And then we back for this part. We start. Helping
Janet
hands.
is a Girl Scout.
Janet, she's Janet, is a Girl Scout. Scout is a group, the boys and girls, to help the environment, to help the other people, and the mission is to help, okay? Son los niños Scout, que es un grupo que ellos ayudan, van a campamentos, aprenden a cocinar en el fuego, a vivir en el bosque, ayudan a la naturaleza. They are Scout. Okay, continue.
She wants to get a Helping Hands badge.
She wants to get a helping hands badge. Okay, to get badge es como cuando usamos bandera, como tener una insignia. Yes, un reconocimiento. To get the badge, para tener ese reconocimiento, para tener la izada de bandera, digámoslo en nuestros términos.
Needs to help 5 people in the community.
She needs to help 5 people in the community, and they have to sign her form. Okay? She needs to help 5 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Help. And they need to sign, tienen que firmar la forma, the paper, look that.
Needs to help 5 people in the community, and they have to sign
The form, this is the form. She has the form, the paper that the people need to sign.
her form. She decides to help her mom first.
She decides to help her mom first. Okay? She needs 5 people that she needs to help, ayudar. And she decides to help her mom. She's number 1.
Mom, can I help you with your housework?
Mom, can I help you with your housework? She asked. Housework. Con ella, puedo ayudarte con las housework. Es el oficio con las tareas de la casa. She asked.
She asks. Her mom is a bit surprised because Janet never helps with the housework.
Her mom is a bit surprised because Janet never helps with the housework. She never helps with the housework. Okay? Do you understand? Yes. Continue.
You can vacuum the carpets, Janet, her mom says.
You can vacuum the vacuum. It is a vacuum. You can vacuum the carpets. The carpets and yes, the carpets, la alfombra. Janet, you can vacuum the carpets, Janet. Her mom said.
Thank you for helping.
Thank you for helping. Thank you for helping.
Janet is vacuuming her bedroom.
Okay, look. This is the bedroom. Janet's bedroom. Okay, Janet is vacuuming her bedroom. Look, the bedroom.
The phone rings and Janet answers it.
The phone rings, ring, and Janet answered it. She answered it. Look, the phone, and Janet answered.
Hello, Carol. I'm helping Mom with the housework. She
Hello, I'm sorry. Hello, Carol. I'm helping Mom with the housework, she said. Okay, it's Carol, and she said, hello. I'm helping. Hello, Carol. I'm helping Mom, the mother, with the housework, she said.
says. Just then, there is a loud pop.
Just then, justo en ese momento, just then, there is a loud pop, okay? And the vacuum cleaner makes a funny noise.
And the vacuum cleaner makes a funny noise. Oh no, says Janet.
Oh no, says Janet.
I vacuumed the hamster.
Oh my God. Wait for me. Okay, and now,
Cleaner makes a funny noise. Oh no, says
say
Janet.
Janet.
I
I
vacuumed the
vacuumed the
hamster.
hamster. Oh no, poor.
Janet rescues the hamster.
Janice rescues the hamster. Oh, poor the animal. Okay.
But what a mess.
What a mess.
Janet's
Look, it's a mess. Es un desorden todo. Janice's mom look at the mess.
mom looks at the mess. Why don't you go and help Uncle Fred?
Why don't you go and help Uncle Fred? She said, okay? Why? ¿Por qué no? Why don't you go and help your uncle? Remember? Is the brother of her mother. Uncle, el tío Fred. Why don't you go and help Uncle Fred? Okay, continue.
She says, he is always happy to see you.
He is always happy to see you. Okay, and now we back for the question. Okay. Okay, number one, what butters doesn't Janet want? Why does she have to do get it? What Janet need to do to win the to win the battles, okay? And why does the vacuum cleaner make a funny sound? ¿Por qué? This is qué. ¿Por qué? What does the vacuum cleaner? Ya sabes que es vacuum cleaner. Make a funny sound. Wow, like this. Okay, I need that you answer this question. Yes? Do you understand? Yes? Okay. And you please answer this in your notebook. Okay? Bye. My students, have a good day. Bye. See you. If you don't know this answer, you can repeat the video and you can answer the, answer the question about page 3, or you can look your book. Okay, your reader book. Bye, my students. Have a good day. It's no homework. It's only one activity. Bye.